experience this glorious morning.
Dear parents, principal ma'am, HR ma'am, teachers and friends, good morning everyone. I am Purvika. Welcome you all to our school. Dear teachers, thank you for your love and hard work to educate us. I am so grateful to be a part of this and alma mater. I thank each and everyone who helped me at my studies. Thank you. I also learned Matu Deva Bhava, Pitra Deva Bhava, Acharya Deva Bhava. I learned all this from Mamta ma'am. Thank you, Mamta. Mamta ma'am, I miss you a lot. I thank Anjali auntie, Rashida auntie, Sonia auntie, Asha auntie for helping and caring us. Thank you.
Thank you so much.